Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the nose pads on your VITURE XR glasses. As you can see, I have them right here and there are nose pads included. There are different sizes of them and also some replacement ones just if anything happens to the ones that come installed on the metal part. And now how to replace them? It is pretty simple. There are three sizes, as I said. The smallest one is the size 1. I have the size 2 installed, but by default the size 1 is installed. I'm going to try out the size 3 because I don't really know which one is better for me. I'm gonna try out and see which one's better. And now to do it, of course, open the arms and now slide the nose pad towards you like that. It goes off really easily. So you just need to pull it. It is magnetic, so it's really easy to disassemble. Just pull it outwards, right? Like that. And it goes right off. And now let's try to apply the size number 3. Goes on really easy, and now they are on. Now I could test them on myself, and that's basically it. Now, if you were to replace the nose pads on the nose pad part, it is a little more difficult. It's not that easy. I'm going to show you that on an example of the size 2, for example. If I get the pad out, to get it out, it's not that hard. What I recommend doing is pinch the shorter sides, then twist it a little bit, and that should come right off. Or if not right off, just do a few trials. Just pull it out. It's gonna be fine as well. Now putting it in, I haven't found a really easy way to do that, but what I do is, this is the correct orientation, right? Because this is the oval shape, it fits, right? But I actually put it 90 degrees sideways like that, then try pushing it in, and actually I go with my fingers and just try to grab it from underneath through the hole, so like that, and then I try to just like scratch it out through the hole, and as you can see, something's happening here. It is sort of on its way. It's almost done, and it's done. So that's how you can do it. If you have any problems, by the way, the sizes are marked with a number here, and that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.